Well, hi there. Carol Dockum here with Beautiful Faces Going Places. We are here with our special business spotlight series, and our special guest today is Tiffanie Demasters. She is a commercial insurance sales specialist at People's Insurance Agency. So please help me welcome Tiffanie. Hi, Tiffanie.
Hello.
So, Tiffanie, what differentiates you from the thousands of other insurance agents out there?
There are a ton, aren't there? I feel like there's one on every corner. I think there's 17 within 1 mile of my office, actually. So it's actually very difficult to differentiate, I'm sure you understand, in this market. But what I would say differentiates me is I've got 18 years of experience. Insurance is all I've ever done. I am a self-proclaimed insurance nerd. It's kind of what I go by on LinkedIn. It was just my favorite platform. I consider myself a lifelong learner, and I have 3 designations: property risk and insurance specialist, certified insurance counselor, and certified risk manager. But all that aside, I really just think I have a fun personality and make the process not anywhere near as painful as it has to be. So that's the biggest thing. I'm real. And
Yes.
hopefully people resonate with that.
I think they see it and feel it. I know I certainly do. So, Tiffanie, why do people avoid or actually dread the entire insurance conversation? Why do they do that?
It's real.
It is.
I think part of the problem is with the industry itself. I just read an article the other day that puts insurance agents in the same category as the used car salesmen, attorneys, politicians, and nobody wants to be associated with that. So, of course, as soon as you hear your insurance agent's coming for their renewal, you immediately feel the dread. That on top of the fact that insurance in itself is kind of weird. You're basically putting money aside that something's going to happen that you hope you never have to use, and nobody wants to pay for that, but that's what it's there for. So that aside, I think that's what does the insurance part, but then people itself and why people don't want to deal with it. It's expensive, it's boring, and more than anything, I think it's insurance agents seem to talk above everybody's head. Insurance or language matters. So when I'm using words that don't make sense even to my underwriters or attorneys, of course somebody that's not their specialty isn't going to understand. So my biggest thing is trying to break it down to where people understand what they've got so they know and they're confident.
Right, and they're protected for those what-if situations, right?
Yeah, you always
Yes.
hope you don't have to use it, but
Right.
when you need it, it's there and you know you're covered.
Yes. So then what is it about your job that gets you so excited? Because I know your passion just shines through. So what gets you excited to continue to do this every day?
More than anything, which sounds cliche, but it's my customers. I work for a bank-owned insurance agency, and we focus a lot on SBA, Small Business Association deals. And so we deal with a lot of people that are starting new businesses, and working with them and seeing their passion about their new business venture. Every time I get to do that, it helps them protect their business and everything they're working so hard to build. I get goosebumps, and then I'm so excited for them and watching them succeed. It's like watching a little baby. Like, come on. And then besides that, it's the insurance industry is something different every day. My day is never the same day twice. It's fun and challenging by times, but it's like a puzzle, and you figure out the best way to protect people in a way that makes the most sense for their business.
Awesome. Well, Tiffanie, if I should say, where is the best place for someone to contact you regarding anything insurance?
Call or email, and then I'm always on LinkedIn and Instagram under Tiffanie Demasters, so you can find me at either place. Happy to help any way I can.
Well, thank you so much, Tiffanie.
Thank you.
Yeah.